Thanking you all for finding time to join us on this very important occasion when Kenya is ascending to be a member to the IVI. And Your Excellency, your presence here today is clearly a demonstration of your determination, commitment, and dedication to Kenyans achieving universal health coverage. Your Excellency, you know our plan for universal health coverage is hinged on the foundation of primary health care. We seek to promote wellness and healthy Kenyans. But equally under primary health care, Your Excellency, is that we prevent diseases. And it has been shown that the surest way to prevent disease, Your Excellency, is through immunization. We can only achieve that by investing in vaccines. And therefore, our being here today is clearly in line with what we are trying to do back at home to ensure that Kenyans, we prevent them from getting ill, and equally, we promote health care. Your Excellency, our accession to IVI is coming at a critical time when the global discourse is on how we manage outbreaks and how we prepare ourselves to ensure that we are able to respond as and when they happen, and equally, that we build resilient systems. Last week, Your Excellency, at the 77th World Health Assembly, the International Health Regulations Amendment was approved and adopted. And the key highlights, Your Excellency, of those amendments is that now we are going to have equity and benefit sharing. And that speaks to what we are just about to do with IVI when it comes to clinical trials that will be done at KEMRI and with BioVax participating. So as a country, we are very proud to have participated